Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you many things I bet you didn't know about clipboard history in Windows 10. If you've been using Windows for any time at all, or pretty much any computer, no doubt you've already become familiar with the copy and paste operations, either through the right-click context menu or through the shortcut keystrokes Control-C and Control-V. I'll confess, I've been using the copy and paste operations literally thousands of times over the many years I've been using computers. Have you ever copied something and pasted it, and then copied and pasted another thing, and then had the occasion where you wished you could go back and paste the first thing you copied, or maybe something that you copied a few minutes ago, or an hour ago, or a day ago? I've had that happen to me, and I'll bet that's happened to you as well. However, for Windows users, up until release 17666, which came out in about May of 2018, we were out of luck as far as pasting from history. With that release, Microsoft finally came out with an upgrade that was actually a good one. They gave us the ability to activate our clipboard history. With this clipboard history, we can go back and paste anything we have copied since we activated that history. Windows Clipboard History now supports plain text files, HTML files, and even images. And as of build 18234, they will support images of up to 4 megabytes, which will accommodate the high DPI screenshot resolutions. Before you can use your clipboard history, you must activate it. There are two main ways to do this. The easiest way to activate your clipboard history is to press the Windows Clipboard History shortcut keystrokes Windows V. The first time you do this, you will see a notice stating you can't start the history, and it will give you the option to turn it on. Simply click the button to turn it on, and you'll be ready to go. The other way to activate your clipboard history is in your settings. Click the window logo, the settings cogwheel, then click System, then Clipboard, and you'll see all the settings for the Windows clipboard and its history. Simply toggle your clipboard history button to the on position and you'll be ready to go. Once your clipboard history is activated, whatever you copy to your clipboard with Control-C or a screen capture will be there for future use. Let's copy some text from a document. Now let's copy some text from a web page. Now let's copy a segment of an email. Now let's capture a portion of the screen using Irfan View. I've made a tutorial on how to use this free program for easy screen captures. There's a link to that tutorial right there in the upper right corner, and you'll also find the link in the description below. We can easily paste our most recent capture by pressing Control-V, but what if we want to paste one of the earlier captures? It's simple. Just use the clipboard history shortcut keystroke Windows V, and you'll see a list of all the captures made since you activated the history. Let's close the clipboard history for now by clicking somewhere off of it and open a text editor. Of course, the first thing we need to do is to put the cursor where we want the pasted text to go, right there. Since a text editor will only display plain text, you can see that pasting the copy from the Word document and pasting the copy from the web page both show only the text. They do not show the formatting, the font, the color, etc. By the way, this is an excellent and quick way to remove the formatting from any text. You just paste it into a text editor, copy it from the text editor, and go paste it where you want your unformatted text to go. Attempting to paste an image into a text editor doesn't work. It gives you nothing. Now we are opening up a blank Word document, and we can see that when we paste the copy from another document, from a web page, from an email, and even from an image, everything except the web page retains the formatting and the image properties. Web pages often have external formatting contained in a CSS or cascading style sheet file, and that formatting is not copied unless you copy the web page as a screenshot image. But wait, there's more! What if you don't want to leave something like a credit card number on your clipboard? Good news. You can delete any item you like. Just open the clipboard history with the Windows V shortcut keystroke, find the item you want to delete, and notice the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner. Click that three-dot icon, then click Delete on the menu. Boom, that item's gone. You'll also notice on this three-dot menu that you have an option to clear all or to pin a copied item. If you pin a copied item, that item is supposed to remain on the clipboard even if you click Clear All or even if you reboot your computer. However, if you turn off your clipboard history from the Settings panel, it will flush all of the items from your clipboard history, even those that are pinned. Okay, here's the Settings panel. See, the history is on. Let's press Windows V and we can see a number of items on the clipboard, 2 of which are pinned. Click anywhere off of the clipboard history to close it. Now turn off the history and turn it back on. If we now press Windows V, we see the clipboard history is totally empty. Windows even now allows you to synchronize your clipboard history across your devices, but I'll let you figure out all the ins and outs of how to do that one. That's all I've got on Windows clipboard history for this video, and I must confess, I've learned an awful lot while making this video. I hope you found it as helpful as I did. Don't forget to give us a big old thumbs up to let me and the YouTube robots know that you found this video helpful. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so very much. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're not a subscriber, why not go ahead right now, click that subscribe button and then the bell icon to have YouTube notify you whenever we post another great tutorial right here on David's Tutorials.